Hello there! Welcome back. We are Sunshine Vagabonds. Today we're going to tell you about a really cool cruise port location and a fun, free activity. Free.
Free. Yeah, I did hear though that it's mostly just for cruises.
Yes, it was built specifically for cruisers, and I think the only way to see it is if you're on a cruise.
Right.
So we are talking about Port Oasis in Cartagena, Colombia. And we actually did a full excursion in Cartagena and stopped by Port Oasis on the back, really not expecting much.
No, but it surprised us.
Yeah, there's like a ton to do
Yeah.
there. And I'll just say, when you first walk into it is kind of an oasis, you hear a bunch of cool sounding, prehistoric sounding birds. And we first walked in, we were on a little boardwalk, and we were like looking in the trees everywhere trying to spot one or two of these birds. And it took us a while to spot one or two.
The macaws?
Yeah.
Yeah. Really? They were everywhere.
Yeah, but we didn't know that till we turned the corner.
Yeah. Everywhere, literally everywhere.
Yeah, so this place is a rehab facility, and they got some Sustainable Tourism Award back in 2024 for what they've done here. And they rehab a ton of animals. There's like 700 animals on the site, including, like 6 million macaws?
Yeah, it seemed that way. But they did have the blue and yellow macaw and the scarlet macaw while we were there.
They were beautiful. And throughout all the trees, they had a feeding station there that was just loaded with them as well. What other birds did we see?
He was a yellow-crowned Amazon or Amazon bird. He's a species of the parrot.
Yeah, beautiful. And we got like this close to them.
Yeah.
And peacocks.
Peacocks, beautiful peacocks. And I don't know why, but I'd never seen peacock in a tree.
Yeah, we always see them on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
And they were beautiful, and they were wandering around. And a lot of birds we didn't recognize. They also have an aviary, which was closed when we got there. I don't know if we were there later in the day, but it's a covered aviary that's packed with a bunch of other species of birds, some ducks. And how about the birds we saw at the end?
The flamingos.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had like their own little area. It was a nice green grassy area with water. And there was quite a few flamingos in that area, along with an iguana we saw in there.
Supersized iguana, yeah. And the flamingos are all rescued. They were rescued from the illegal pet trade, and that's now their new home. And then we saw some fun animals, a couple of other surprises.
Like this howler monkey?
Yes!
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we saw a family of monkeys hanging out in a tree. There are a couple of species of monkeys there. We only saw one of them. But they were pretty active and entertaining. They also have a cafeteria, not a cafeteria, like a cafe.
A little area to sit.
A bar. There's a gift shop. There's like craft area in there. And it's just beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Supposedly they also have sloths and anteaters, which we did not see.
Right. Yeah, aside from the aviary being closed, one of the trails was closed as well. The people working there told us there were sloths, but we looked really hard for them and didn't find them.
Mm-hmm.
Sort of like the same problem we had in Panama. The elusive sloth. And in Costa Rica before that, we've never seen a sloth in the wild.
No.
So sad. All right, but anyway, this place was pretty awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it was quick, easy to walk around.
Really close to the port. And just even walking around there, like a lot of little ponds and lakes and stuff, and beautiful trees. It was nice.
Yeah, very pretty area.
So when you go to Cartagena, make sure you do Port Oasis.
And you might want to take some earplugs.
Oh my gosh, it's a beautiful sound. Just kidding. All right, anything else we want to talk about?
So they do have some feeding stations. You can get some food to feed the birds, and you can actually get really very close to these birds. Yeah, you might want to watch your fingers.
But it's a great way to get amazing pictures.
Oh yeah, they definitely pose for their pictures. Right. Definitely.
And a lot of the birds looks like they've been rehabilitated and could leave if they want, and they're probably like, no, there's lots of good food here. I'm sticking around.
Right? Why not? Our next video to be on the lookout for is going to be our tour in Cartagena.
which was awesome. Spoiler alert.
Yes, it was a great, great stop on this cruise.
Yeah. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, tell all of your friends and family to subscribe to our channel. And that's it. All right. Ciao.
Peace.